Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Linux Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. I hope you're having a great weekend so far, and welcome to this new video and necessary updates on Pepe. All right, I wanted to do a full update. Now, I've been covering Pepe daily, I think, for at least a week now. So I am not going to talk about the market structure again. All right, what we had very briefly then is we had a momentous move, then we had some sort of a bullish flag right here. And that continued with another momentous move after getting this breakout right here above 7,300. If you watch my videos, you would have expected that, or at least you would have been prepared for it. Personally, I did not take this trade, but I did take a very similar one on Bonk, which is it looks very much the same, even though it's weaker. So I should have taken it on Pepe. But you can kind of see the same thing playing out, right? So momentum, bullish flag, breakout, momentum. But Pepe, like I said, super strong. And even over the course of yesterday, for example, and especially over the last couple of weeks, it's just been super strong. All right, so that's why I'll keep making these daily updates, and I still think that there is potential, even though, and we'll get into that a moment later, but I do think that you should be careful. All right, because, but just in general, I mean, look at this. Since the 20th of April, when the market was also a little bit bullish for a short period of time, we have gained over $200 million in open positions. That's a lot, all right? So that's why, especially if Bitcoin is able to push higher from the current levels, that's why I think Pepe can actually rally much, much higher as well. Now, at this moment, we are at a significant resistance level, all right? So there's around these levels right here at 8,500 and 9,000, there's a ton of resistance. And what we're trying to do right now is break above that to get back up to those all-time highs. Honestly, there's a bit of a resistance level right here at 9,500. So that would be my first price target. I mean, if we break above this level right here, this level, so let me look that up a little bit more. This level which we are trying to break above, so that's the red level, is such a strong key level that if we break above that, with the momentum gain we've seen also in the last 3 days, technically it's most likely we're getting up to those all-time highs again. Even though it's a weird thing to say, right? Because most cryptos, most altcoins right now are very far away from their all-time highs. But I do think for Pepe it's a possibility. Now, if I purely look at the technicals right here, I would say we will do that, right? Because if you look at the technicals, we've been super bullish. Like I said, the market structure, the formation that we see is bullish. And then sure, we have a strong resistance level here. But so far, we have lost some momentum from there. But if you compare the momentum we've gained since the 2nd of March, since Thursday, we have barely lost any, even though we're at a strong resistance level. So not many positions are being closed, even though we're at that level. So it's just purely most likely due to the formation, due to the momentum that we have, and due to the bullish breakouts that we're getting, that we will get that bullish breakout, that will find some resistance at 9,600. Maybe consolidate up here, but eventually we will get back up to the all-time high around 10,500. That's technically what's most likely. Now, the one thing I want to warn you for, like I said earlier in the video, is the fact that it's the weekend, all right? And most of these breakouts happened throughout the weekend. And breakouts in a weekend cannot fully be trusted, especially not right now when Bitcoin is pretty bullish, but the volume for Bitcoin is low as well. So what I think is possible, I think Pepe will stay bullish, all right? Just to get that out of the way. But what I think is possible is that Bitcoin gets some sort of a bigger pullback here into 61,800 or into 60,800 maybe even. And then that Pepe will get a big spike down as well, down to 7,800, potentially even 7,400. So that's what I think you should be careful for. Now, even if that happens, I think we'll just consolidate and eventually still break out. So that's why I said I am bullish on Pepe, and I think it will stay bullish. But a bigger pullback I would be prepared for, and I would kind of take some precautions for, all right? Now, that's what I think you need to know. So if you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.